Welcome back to The Average Kitchen. Mark here with a C. Bought this Lagostina Prima stainless steel plus base, I think they call it. Anyway, really nice set. We're gonna unbox it. I haven't even taken it out of the box yet to look at it. So this was regular price $700 Canadian, on sale 200 bucks. Pretty good deal. And before I open this box, I wanna show you, and I hope Jamie's gonna be able to zoom in. Now these are also Lagostina, and we get a lot of comments from people concerned about enamel on pots and coating on pots, how they can be dangerous and so on and so forth. And I learn every day. I can be honest with you, I never really gave it much thought until recently. I started looking at my pots, and I'll see if Jamie can get in on this. They are starting to chip in the bottom. And my concern is, where's that chip? Where's that chip of the enamel? Where did it go? I said to myself, no more, that's it. This is the Lagostina set, pure stainless steel. So no coating, no enamel. So let me spin this around so I can open it up. There we go, I'll spin that back. So, all right, so lots of cardboard as usual. Let's have a look at what we have here. A couple lids right off the hop. And when buying a cookware set, I mean, often they'll say, oh, you buy one for life and this and that or whatever. This does have a lifetime guarantee, so does that one, but I mean, I guess I could have contacted Lagostina and said, hey, these enamel pots are chipping. I just bought a new stainless steel set. Whoa, nice. Cool little shape to it. Good size pot. So we're gonna have to clean this up afterwards, but I'm just gonna be launching stuff everywhere here. Another pot, very nice. And everything should be perfect the first time you get it. It should never stick, should be perfect. Oh, a little saucepan here, oh, that's real nice. Another pan. Running out of real estate here. And one last pan. All right, I believe that should be everything. All right, let's have a look at what we got here. So there should be a matching lid for everything. Do you know one thing I really am terrible at? It's looking at a pot and then figuring out which lid goes on top of it. I don't know why. Look, I miss every time. Okay, and like when you're a little kid, you have these like toys that put lids on stuff, but again, I did it wrong again. All right, so everything has a lid. Yep, box shows everything has a lid except for this one pan. Don't know why. But, so we got two beautiful pots here. Sorry, we have four beautiful pots and two really nice pans. Couple of things, and it'll be hard to see from this angle, but maybe Jamie will get it. All the lids have a little vent hole, which is really handy. So, so some steam can get through. As well as there is a nice little gap between the actual lid and the handle. So you can get even like big meat hooks like mine. I can get my hand in there, lift that off and not burn myself. Also, really nice to have the see-through glass lid to be able to see what you're cooking. So I really like that. So overall, really happy with the way that this looks. It's not, you can get these expansive sets with 27 pieces and this and that or whatever. This is more than I need. I mean, kitchen space is always at a premium, probably in everybody's house. And we all tend to, myself included, we all tend to over have pans and pots and stuff like that. But generally there's our couple go-tos that we always use. So I think that this will be a go-to set for me that I'm really excited to use. Anyway, that's our video. Hope you liked it. If you want to support us, the best way, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell. We'll see you on the next one.